Do you know how to control your to-do list? One thing that I've learned from my decades of running an LNC business is the truth of saying the devil is in the details. In our businesses, we must keep track of multiple details involved in the cases that we're handling. However, there is no one-size-fits-all method to stay on top of the details. If methods you've tried for doing so only left you with a to-do list that overwhelmed you, pause here and take a deep breath. Your learning style may not match that of whoever is recommending a certain method for you. For example, you're a tactile learner who has been unsuccessful at following through on voice memos suggested by a coach. Or maybe you're an auditory learner frustrated by the physical to-do list that you keep making. Instead of letting yourself feel annoyed, figure out the technique that fits your needs. This system works for me. I jot a note on a paper when I think of something I need to do, and then I transfer that note to my to-do list spreadsheet and keep track of the items in categories. Every day or so I review the list to make sure that I haven't overlooked anything. I'm now experimenting with Rocketbook, a system that lets me jot notes on wipeable pages, and I upload those notes to Evernote and keep them organized. From first-hand experience, I know it's easy to lose a note. If you're an auditory learner, maybe voice memos are what you need. The next time somebody suggests a great organizational tip, be sure that you determine whether or not it is in line with your learning needs. And also search the internet and organization strategies in general to look for the kinds of learners and match that to you. This business tip comes from 21 tips to running your LNC business efficiently, how to excel. Order it at lnc.tips/creating series.